Welcome, and today on this new channel called Nature Stuff, I'm going to be teaching you how to make a DIY ant farm. So here's one I've already done. I have lots of Camponotus workers, aka carpenter ants. There's no queen in this colony, just workers. So here's what it looks like. And basically all I did was I cut a water bottle. I cut the top off of it actually. And I put some sand and some ants and this foam cover. So that's basically how I did it. But this is a tutorial. So that means that I'm going to show you how to do it. So obviously first we'll need a water bottle, some scissors, foam of your choice. Just make sure that it can let air through it. Some sand, a hot glue gun, and well, some ants. So first of all, you're going to take your bottle and your scissors, and you're going to cut it. Sorry, this might be a bit loud. So loud, I'll just pause the video real quick and come back when it's done. So it turns out that those scissors weren't working well, so I'm just gonna use these ones. They're much easier. So now we have our half bottle and the top. You don't need this, you can throw this away. Throw away. Now, we're going to take our scissors and cut a circle out of this foam, and then we're going to cut a rectangle out of the foam, and we'll hot glue them together. Here's our circle, and you have to make sure that it will fit into your bottle. Well, actually not into it, but just so that it can cover it. Here's our rectangle, and all you basically have to do now is just hot glue it. Okay guys, it's been hot glued with our hot glue gun. Now take this, stick it on the top of your bottle so that it looks like this. You can pretty much design it any way you want. Just, I would recommend you, but you don't have to, filling it up to sand to about right here, then having the land right here and all their space in here. Then put the lid on. So here's our ant farm, and all we need to do now is put on the lid. There we go. Depending on the size of the colony you want to house in here, just feed them every week, or just whenever you can tell that they're kind of hungry, then feed them. Oh, and every once in a while, water the nest and give them water. But they can drink the condensation on the glass. So it's not the end of the world if you don't give them a cap of water. Sorry about the end part there. That wasn't scripted. Make sure to watch some of my other videos that are coming soon. And please remember to thank me for doing this. No, I'm just kidding. But just remember to hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and turn on the notifications bell. See you next time. Bye!